Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, May 14th. Well, it's looking like monsoon season around here in the Mid-Atlantic region. We will experience multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms over the next week or so, and this follows some heavy rainfall over the past couple of days. Drought certainly will not be an issue around here for a long time. In fact, it looks like we could have some serious concerns about flash flooding over the next several days, again with these multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms. The grounds are already pretty well saturated based on the recent heavy rainfall over the past weekend. We'll have a frontal system that'll meander back and forth over the next several days. It'll make temperature forecasting quite tricky around here. Plus, tropical moisture will feed northward. Low pressure is right now forming over the eastern Gulf of Mexico. That will push tropical moisture northward, getting intertwined with our overall weather pattern up here in the Mid-Atlantic region for the mid part of the week and the latter part of the week. All of that will enhance our excessive rainfall possibilities for the latter part of the week and into the upcoming weekend. This is in fact a forecast map from NOAA Weather Forecaster for the total precipitation amounts over the next 7 days or so, from Monday today to next Monday. Again, very high amounts in the eastern third of the nation. This is on the order of 3, 4, 5 inches in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor. Heavy rain over the next few days over the Florida Peninsula. Again, this is associated with a tropical system that will feed some tropical moisture northward right into the Mid-Atlantic region during the mid and latter part of the week. But again, flash flooding could very well become a concern anywhere in the eastern third of the nation over the next several days, given this very wet weather pattern that is shaping up. Well, let's take a look at a couple of radar loops. First, down in the southeast U.S. over the Florida Peninsula, heavy rains are already starting to show up here on radar. Low pressure is forming, intensifying over the eastern Gulf of Mexico. That will spread tropical moisture northward over the Florida Peninsula, and then even farther to the north into the southern part of the southeastern U.S. and then the Mid-Atlantic later this week. They could have anywhere from 3, 4, 5 inches of rain in east central Florida, for example, Cape Canaveral over the next 48 hours or so. Again, a tropical system will feed into our weather up here in the Mid-Atlantic region during the second half of the work week. Meanwhile, here's the upper part of the Midwest, a radar loop, and lots of showers and thunderstorms associated with a frontal boundary zone. Again, that frontal boundary zone extends pretty much all the way from the upper Midwest into the Mid-Atlantic region. Some heavy showers and thunderstorms, and this is part of the region that will impact D.C., Philadelphia, New York City late Tuesday into Tuesday night. Probably the typical 3, 4 p.m. to 8, 9 p.m. time frame. We have a chance for another round of strong to severe thunderstorms, again, late tomorrow into tomorrow night, associated with a southeastward moving cold frontal system. Well, let's now walk through last night's 6Z GFS model run. We'll walk through in 6-hour increments. Not much rainfall today, actually, in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor. There could be a few showers in D.C., nothing more than light rain or drizzle in Philadelphia, New York City. Mostly cloudy skies. A cool start probably gets up into the 70s during the afternoon hours. Excuse me, let's keep moving forward. Again, not much rainfall. Even tonight, just some light rain or drizzle, maybe a couple of showers later on tonight. Patchy fog could also form. You can kind of see the resemblance here of a warm frontal system starting to push to the north and east. Indeed, that's what will happen. We'll start off damp on Tuesday, but then we should get into summer-like air here in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor. A good chance of 90 degrees in D.C., upper 80s in Philadelphia, New York City. Sticky, humid conditions just like summer. And then here we go, a band of showers and thunderstorms associated with a southeastward moving cold front. Could have a chance for severe weather around here late tomorrow, early tomorrow night, again in the 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. time frame roughly. And we'll, of course, fine-tune that on Tuesday. Let's keep moving ahead, and here's that cold frontal system early tomorrow night, Tuesday night, some heavy rainfall, and then that frontal system just stalls out and it stalls out in the southern part of the Mid-Atlantic region. This is now the forecast map for Wednesday evening. Notice rainfall depicted here by the GFS in green and yellow extends all the way from Cuba up across Florida into the southeast U.S. All this is now tropical moisture feeding in from the south to the north, with a frontal system remaining in close proximity on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and that will continue our threat for rain. Look at here, we're just moving ahead now Thursday night into the day on Friday, all throughout the eastern third of the nation, Saturday, Sunday. Now we are into the weekend here. This is the forecast map for Sunday morning. Still rainfall up and down the eastern seaboard here, now going into the early part of next week again. A very wet weather pattern shaping up. Tropical moisture will feed into the Mid-Atlantic region from the deep south over the next couple of days, and a frontal system will remain in close proximity throughout this entire period. So basically, a chance of showers and thunderstorms late Tuesday, Tuesday night, again on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday of next week. Watch out for the potential for flash flooding anywhere in the eastern third of the nation over the next several days or so. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.